FLUXANA is your partner for professional applications in X-ray fluorescence analysis. From the first basic steps to the most difficult problem, FLUXANA supports you with a wide range of products and comprehensive knowledge. International laboratories and companies from many different sectors use X-ray fluorescence analysis to determine the elemental components in raw materials and further processing. FLUXANA assists them in finding the best way to achieve precise results. From the analysis of liquids using professional cups and films, and the pressing of samples to pellets, to the fusion of samples as glass beads with a fusion machine. FLUXANA covers all areas of sample preparation for X-ray fluorescence analysis. Due to the daily challenges of our customers, FLUXANA can rely on a wealth of experience. These experiences influence the production of instruments, consumables, and our own reference materials, allowing FLUXANA to react flexibly to new requirements and regulations. The cooperation with universities, such as the Rhine-Waal University, enables FLUXANA to develop new and innovative methods and products. In addition to a large assortment of products, FLUXANA offers a wide range of services: contract analyses, online support, maintenance and installation at customer sites worldwide, training and seminars, proficiency tests. FLUXANA's diversified portfolio is unique in many areas, and FLUXANA is now the worldwide #1 with its complete assortment for the analysis of raw materials.